These are word problems dealing with confidence intervals for proportions. So the first one tells me an online clothing website wants to see what portion of their customers would prefer to buy their products in stores. They survey 180 customers and 80 say they prefer stores. Construct a 95% confidence interval for this proportion. So the key things I need to pull out are N, the number of people involved in the study, that's 180 customers. X, the number who fit what we were looking for, that's 80 who say they'd rather buy in stores. And C, the level of confidence we want, which in this case is 0.95. First thing I need to calculate is P hat, the proportion of X over N based on the sample. So if I put into my calculator, 80 divided by 180, it gives me 0.44. I now need to connect 95% to 1.96 as it's the alpha over 2. So my margin of error becomes that 1.96 times the root of 0.44, 1 minus 0.44 over 180. When I put that in my calculator, 1.96 times the root of parentheses 0.44 parentheses 1 minus 0.44 divided by 180, all under the root, I get 0.073. I then need to make my confidence interval by taking my p hat minus my margin of error and my p hat plus my margin of error. So my confidence interval is going to equal 0.44 minus 0.073 and 0.44 plus 0.073. When I put that into my calculator, 0.44 minus 0.073 gives me 0.367, and 0.44 plus 0.073 gives me 0.513. So the way I would interpret this confidence interval is I'm 95% sure the true proportion of customers of this online clothing website that would prefer to buy the same products in stores is between 36.7% of customers and 51.3% of customers. In number 8, it tells me a random sample of 350 college students found that 218 of them had visited a parent in the last month. Construct and interpret a 99% confidence interval for the proportion of college students who visited a parent in the last month. So I'm going to pull out how many were involved in the study, which was 350 students, how many did visit a parent, which was 218, and the confidence level, which is 0.99. If I now use these numbers to calculate my p hat is x 218 over n 350. When I put that into my calculator, 218 divided by 350 gives me 0.6228, which I'm going to call 0.62. That means my margin of error equals, for a 99% confidence interval, that connects me to the number 2.575. Times the root of 0.62, 1 minus 0.62 over my n of 350. When I put that in my calculator, 2.575 times the root of 0.62, 1 minus 0.62 divided by 350, all under the root, I get a margin of error of 0.067. So I'm going to take my p hat, 0.62, I'm going to first subtract 0.067, then I'm going to take the 0.62 and add 0.067. When I subtract 0.62 minus 0.067, gives me 0.553. When I add 0.62 plus 0.067, that gives me 0.687. So what this tells me is, based on this sample, I'm 99% sure the true proportion of college students who visited a parent in the last month is between 55.3% and 68.7%.